Hello, I'm Gavin Elliot, and I'm here today to talk about something that many of us avoid thinking about, but should definitely plan for: probate. Now, you might be wondering, what does probate have to do with a grizzly bear? Well, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why avoiding probate is just as important as avoiding a grizzly bear. And yes, I mean that quite literally. Imagine you're out in the wilderness, minding your own business. The last thing you'd ever want to do is approach a grizzly bear, especially if it's just woken up from hibernation. We all know that grizzlies are powerful, unpredictable, and can be quite dangerous, especially when they're hungry. Well, I liken probate to a grizzly bear waking up from hibernation, groggy at first, but soon realizing it's starving for attention and resources. Just like that bear, probate can be ugly, and it can bring out the worst in us. When a family is faced with the stress and complexity of probate, emotions can run high, and that's when things get messy. It's human nature to want to protect what's yours, and when the probate process is triggered, that survival mode can kick in. Sibling rivalries, disputes over assets, and long delays are just a few of the challenges families face when probate is in the picture. Now, you may be asking, but I have a will. Isn't that enough? Well, here's the thing. Your will only comes into play after you've passed away. The will is a legal document that tells the court how to distribute your assets, but it must go through the probate process in order for it to be validated. This means that even though you've made your wishes clear in your will, your family will still need to go to court to settle everything. And that can take time, money, and cause significant emotional strain. Now, how to avoid the grizzly bear of probate? The good news is that avoiding probate doesn't require a complicated legal maze or years of paperwork. With the right estate planning tools in place, you can ensure that your assets go directly to your beneficiaries without the need for a lengthy, expensive probate process. Here are some common ways to avoid probate in Florida. 1. Revocable living trusts. A revocable living trust allows you to transfer your assets into a trust, which can avoid probate. It keeps your assets in the trust and allows them to pass to your beneficiaries without court involvement. 2. Joint ownership. Holding property in joint ownership with rights of survivorship can help ensure that upon your death, the property automatically passes to the surviving joint owner, bypassing probate. 3. Beneficiary designations. Many accounts, such as life insurance policies and retirement accounts, allow you to designate a beneficiary. When you pass away, the beneficiary receives the assets directly, avoiding probate. 4. Gifting. You can give away assets while you're alive to reduce the size of your estate, which could reduce the impact of probate on your heirs. By putting these strategies in place now, you can prevent the probate process from becoming a chaotic and painful battle for your loved ones. Let's protect your family. I understand that estate planning can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Make 2025 the year you secure your family's future and avoid the dangers of probate altogether. Contact my office today for a free consultation, where we can discuss how to protect your assets and ensure a smooth transition for your heirs. If you're located in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, or anywhere in the state, my team and I are ready to guide you through the process.